Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video series we're going to build a PHP login system, and you're going to learn about how to build PHP login system using PHP, and for the style we'll use Bootstrap. So I just wanted to show you guys the demo of our project. So let's go and see how our final project will look like. And first of all, let's go to localhost PHP login system and sign up page. So here, first of all, we have to create a user, then we can log in. So if you already have account, then you can just go to login, or um, we can sign up new user. So let's create new user. So first of all, I like to say Jack Black and Jack mail, and password will be password. And if I click sign up, the user already exists. So the user is already exists. The user email to jackmail.com already exists. So if you try to create a user by who has already made the account, then it will alert us with this error. And if I also try to create new user with empty fields, it's going to notify me with this little notification. So we need to fill all the fields to create user. So if I let's say Jack Black, and if I give some incorrect mail, or let's say filled with little random words, and password will be password, and if I click sign up, and it is going to be alert me with this email error alert. So we'll have to create a new user, we'll have to use a correct email address. So if I enter all the user details, and you know if my password is weak, or let's say only 5 words, then it's also going to give a error. Password must be more than 8 characters. So in this way, our system will not allow to make a new user. So I'm going to create a new username, John, and dev, let's say John 123, and @email.com, and password be password. So if I sign up, then it will alert me with this little alert here. So user created successfully. If I click here, then I can go to login page and log in into my account. So we have already created the account. Now we can log in. So either you can go here and also log in. So we'll click here and go to the login page. So I've already created my account, so I'm going to enter my email address and password. Then I can log in. Or if you haven't created the user, you can also go to the sign up. So let's log in. So as you can see here, we have come to the our home page. So it says welcome John. It will give me my username and greets me with welcome message. So after we have come to our home page, we can log out. So I can click log out and go to the login page. So in this way our whole system works. And if I try to access the home page directly, let's say my home page is index.php, and I can, if I hit enter, then it will redirect me to the login page, since I haven't logged in into my account. And so this is done by session. So let's go and create this a little system. And before that, I would like to talk a little bit what I've used in my system. So this is the ID I've used is Visual Studio. You can download it from online. And so Visual Studio is a great tool. I totally recommend it. And for the server, I'm using XAMPP. And if you for the prerequisites, if you have HTML, CSS, and a little bit of core PHP knowledge, it will be great to get a start with this system. I'm sure you'll learn a lot of things with this system. And thank you for watching, and keep watch and learn code. Thank you.